A new deck doesn't just improve your backyard, it can add tens of thousands of dollars to your home's value. But which materials deliver the best return on investment? Let's break down the numbers. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report for 2025, wood decks are one of the highest ROI exterior renovations you can make. A well-built deck returns between 68 and 83% of its cost when you sell your home. That means a $20,000 deck investment adds roughly $16,000 to $22,000 in home value. For a contractor renovation project, that's exceptional. The first place words are longer, decks return over 90% ROI. In northern climates where winters are harsh and the outdoor season is shorter, expect 65 to 75% returns. The longer your area's outdoor season, the more homebuyers value deck space. Your material choice dramatically impacts ROI. Pressure-treated wood is the cheapest option at $8,000 to $12,000, but it lasts only 10 to 15 years. You'll likely rebuild before selling, erasing your original investment. Composite decks sit in the middle, $15,000 to $20,000, lasting about 25 years, and they appeal to buyers who want low-maintenance living. But premium hardwoods like Ipe tell a different story. Yes, they cost more, $18,000 to $28,000, but Ipe lasts up to 75 plus years, requires minimal maintenance, and commands a premium price at resale. That luxurious appearance signals quality to buyers. Here's the real story. Outdoor living space is the #1 desired feature among homebuyers today. A well-designed deck effectively adds a new room to your home without the cost of interior renovation. It extends your living area into nature, increases entertaining capacity, and makes your home feel larger and more valuable. Buyers see that deck and immediately envision hosting summer dinners, morning coffee, and family gatherings. That emotional connection drives higher offers. To maximize your deck's ROI, focus on 6 key upgrades. First, quality materials that age beautifully and last decades. Second, professional installation that ensures safety and longevity. Third, built-in lighting that adds ambiance and extends usable hours. Fourth, upgraded railings that blend safety with style. Fifth, multi-level designs that create visual interest and functional zones. And sixth, integrating outdoor kitchen or premium seating areas that signal luxury and thoughtful design. These upgrades transform your deck from basic outdoor space to a high-value entertaining destination. Here's the long-term math that changes everything. A $20,000 Ipe deck that lasts up to 75 plus years versus an $8,000 pressure-treated deck rebuilt 3 times over 40 years. That's $24,000 plus in total cost, not counting maintenance. Meanwhile, your Ipe investment stays strong for decades, requires minimal upkeep, and at resale, buyers recognize that premium quality and pay accordingly. Premium materials don't just last longer. They save money over time and hold far more resale value. It's not just about the initial cost, it's about the lifetime value. Ready to invest in a deck that adds real value to your home? Browse live pricing at ipewoods.com/pricing or get a free quote at ipewoods.com/contact. You can also call us at 1-844-674-4455. Premium Ipe decks from Ipe Woods USA. Built to last, built to impress.